For God has not given us the spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. 2 Timothy 1:7. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Udori, and if you're stopping by for the first time, you are welcome. So before we go ahead in this video, I just want you guys to click on that subscribe button right down below, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any single video from me. Like this video, comment down below, and share this video with a friend. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. This is going to be a full face makeup tutorial. Yes guys, so I have this cute hair on. This is my bantu knot hair. I don't know if this video is going to be coming first before my makeup tutorial, but I did a video on this hair, so hopefully it comes first or the makeup video comes first. But anyone that comes first, I'm going to link it in the description box so you guys can get in touch with that video. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and clean my face with this beautiful wipe. This is the Prince and Princess baby wipe, of which I love. This is like my all-time, all-used wipe, like all-time favorite wipe. Okay, so we're staying at home, guys. This video that I just like, this makeup video in particular, I've been trying my best to film this video for like 2 times, and the 2 times was a fail because the excellence of the video was totally 0. I know my excellence is not like 100, but that one was out of place. So for my brows, I'm going to ADS brow gel, which I've always been using literally all my videos. Not like all, but most of my videos I've been using this stuff. I love it so much. Guys, if you notice, my hair are not really, shaved and looking all good, but I'm just going to try my best to make it as small as I can, because I notice my brows are always big in pictures and I'm like, what? Now that I already got my 2 brows drawn, I'm gonna take my best concealer. I'm gonna take the black upper concealing foundation in the shade Heavily Honey. I'm gonna be using this to clean my brows. God, I'm hyped today, guys. Like, what? Guys, I'm trying my best to just follow the line at which I cleaned the brow, at which I drew the brows. So to blend this concealer out, I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and just blend this concealer out. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just do one eye of my eyeshadow to save time, and I'm gonna come ahead on camera and show you guys how I did one eye on the other eye, so you can this eye. So we're gonna be working that same magic in this other eye. I don't know why I'm being so hyped today, but I just feel well, and I'm thinking. So I'm gonna be using one of my favorite eyeshadow primer, which is the Avo eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna use that to just pat it all over my eyelid. Making sure to blend it really nicely. So after being done with that, yes, I'm gonna take this yellowy shade. Okay, first off, that was actually not what I took first. I took this shade called Michelle, and I just put that all over my brow bone area. Jeez, just to sort of, you know, working good with my concealer and set my concealer. And the eyeshadow palette I'm using, by the way, is the Blossom Ice Cream eyeshadow palette, one of my faves. These are all the shade in it. So I'm taking this yellow shade right now. I'm using that as my first transition shade, guys. I used to be really in love with yellow as a transition shade. All of a sudden I just but now I think using it today, I don't know, but I think I love the transition it gave me so far. So next up, I took this shade, these two shade, Jane and Ima. I took both shade and just blend it next to my yellow shade, and yep. Next up, I went in with my Juvia's Place Sahara eyeshadow palette, and I took this black shade here and just, you know, create a line with that black shade. This is officially like cutting my crease. Not official though, but this is like cutting my crease. So I'm gonna take the blending part of this brush and just blend that out. Doing that again with the black shade until it is as deep as I really want it to be. Just going back and forth with the oh my god, my mouth is full. Blend, 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 blend. So to sort of cut my crease, I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow primer that I used to just my crease. So I'm gonna go in with the shade that I use for my brow bone. It's called Michelle. I'm gonna use that same shade and just put it all over my crease. Next up, I'm gonna go in with this Blossom nail eyeshadow, which is called, it's in the shade Style. I'm gonna be using just a tad bit of that and just put it in my tear dot area. So yes, I'm gonna be going in with my wing liner. I'm gonna go in and draw my eyeliner, but it's not gonna be my regular kind of wing. So using my ADS gel liner, I'm gonna do that with that. As I draw it to the ending, I just make it a bit wider. So yes guys, I think I have the curve here more than. So next up, I'm gonna go in with the black shade and just blend that with my eyeliner at the edge to sort of calm down all the harsh line. And I'm gonna go in next with this shade called Jane that I used earlier on and just blend it a bit closer to give it some sort of transitioning, guys. So yes, that is it for my eyes. So I'm gonna take this black pencil and just run it through underneath my eyes. Mind you, this is the Davis pencil that I am using. So I'm gonna take this pink shade and just put it underneath my eyes. Just blend that underneath my eyes with the black pencil. Taking a bigger brush and just do more blending with that. So yes guys, this is it for my eyeshadow and I hope you guys love it. I do love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix my lashes. The lashes I'm gonna be using today is my one and only Chi lashes. Oh my god, the other one actually fell down. I'm going to be using my one and only Chi lashes that I've been using like literally. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this off camera and I'll be right back to show you guys my skin. Done with my lashes. I'm loving this look like so much. So next up I'm gonna go in with this Glam Girl Gold Lip Concentrate. I'm gonna use that on my T-zone, my forehead, and basically that actually got to me. Anytime I actually press this stuff, try to like pump some products out, it always gets in something, either my shirt or my makeup products, like other makeup products. Like now it just got to my eyeshadow color. Like just look, like I don't know, making sure that it gets sticky before going ahead with my foundation. Arella Cosmetic Highlighting Finishing Spray, and this is the Youthful Wear Spotless Foundation by Kiss Beauty. So first up, I'm gonna go in with this in my foundation brush because I don't want to make that mistake I made the last time. Like that mistake almost got my dress busting. Guys, I'm starting to love this shimmer spray on my I'm starting to love just the shimmer spray. I'm starting to love it. Like just be using it like before my foundation, because I'm not even going to try using this after my makeup because it needs to spoil everything, because I've tried it before and I feel like I did. So yes, that's just basically it. Guys, the struggle with my story, like trying to film, like the whole struggle is real. I'm not even going to lie, but I just feel as I grow and as I get to know more about YouTube, I'm just going to find my stand better with filming and all of that. Anyway, with the same concealer, I'm just going to be highlighting my face underneath my eyes. My hand just tends to warm it up a bit, so underneath my eyes, my cupid bow, my chin, bridge of my nose and my forehead. Shade. This is actually one of my darkest foundation. I'm going to just put that So taking my foundation brush to blend out my contour in circular motion. Blend out every of the concealer. Try to maintain the points at which I'm blending. And reverse contouring. I'm gonna go ahead with that foundation brush and just blend all the edges of my concealer as well. So fast, and I'm just going to press this. I am not actually baking. I'm just going to be pressing it into my skin, but I'm going to be baking my reverse contour, so guys get that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this powder and take the shade to contour my face and my nose. So next up, I'm gonna be taking the orange neon pigment that I use. I'm gonna use that as a blush in my face. Taking this shade of powder from my Avon pressed powder, I'm just taking that to blend my entire face. And guys, I went ahead to change my earrings because they are not bringing up my face like I want them to. So yes. Beverly Hills. I'm gonna take this golden shade here and going with a more smaller brush and just putting that and the bridge of my nose. Dark foundation to just line my entire lips, and I'm overlining them. Going ahead with my lip gloss, I'm just going to put that all over my lips. Mind you, I did not apply anything at the center of my lips. This is for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a 2 or 3 from this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on my social media platform. It's gonna be down in the description bar. And don't forget this, I love you guys more, but God loves you most.